In this video, I'll show you how to provide internet access for your R36S console running on the arkos operating system. You might ask, why bother connecting your console to the internet at all? The answer is simple. It's necessary for easily updating software, as demonstrated in this video. Downloading game covers like shown here, where I've explained it in detail, and accessing the game library from the Portmaster collection, which requires internet access to download. I've covered games from Portmaster in this video, using the example of installing Half-Life, which I've already completed on my R36S console. So there are two ways to get internet access for your console. The first method is getting a Wi-Fi adapter, like this one, which you can connect to the console via an USB adapter. You can buy this adapter on AliExpress from around 2 to 3 euros. It's a simple and cheap solution. To set up the connection to your Wi-Fi access point, you need to plug the adapter into the second USB port. Then go to the Options section and select Wi-Fi. Then select Connect to new Wi-Fi connection. Here you'll need to find and select your Wi-Fi network. Then enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. After successfully connecting, you can exit the settings. To make sure the adapter is working and connected to the access point, you can press the Start button and see positive connection status in the lower part of the menu. By the way, if you unplug the Wi-Fi adapter from the console and then plug it back in, it will automatically reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. It's very convenient. Set it up once and then use it whenever you need it. The second method is based on tethering internet from an Android smartphone to your console. For this, I took my old Android smartphone, which supports the modem function via USB cable, and connected it to the console in the second USB port. Just a reminder, the first USB port is for charging. I go into the settings on the smartphone and enable USB tethering. That's it, the console is connected to the internet. You can check by going to Portmaster and making sure the connection is working. Unfortunately, not all Android smartphones support this option, so this method may not be suitable for everyone. As you can see, connecting your console to the internet is very simple, and the coolest thing is that you have a choice and two methods to do it. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to the channel. There is a lot of interesting content about consoles, games and graphic design coming out here.